Today we show how to change the key FOB battery on the 2015 Equinox 2.4 liter. Before you bring the remote to the dealer if not working, I would change the battery first. It's pretty easy. Then if it doesn't work still, you can bring it to the dealer for programming. This one is a 3-button, but all Equinox remotes around this year are pretty much the same. First thing, open the key. The access panel is in the back here. To open it, firmly pull on the side edge here from the key storage slot area, and the panel will open. Once open, you can see the battery size. You'll need a CR2032 and can pick it up at the local store or click on the link in the description to order it. Reinstall the new one, positive side up. Slide it under the bridge there and gently press it down. Then line up this one side of the panel in the track, and then while holding it, snap it down on the other side, like that. If it still doesn't work, it may have programming issues, and you'll need to visit your local dealer for that. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.